The pandemic has changed the way we live. Though the virus that causes coronavirus disease spreads mainly from person to person, less commonly, the virus can also spread from infected people to surfaces they touch. The truth is that experts don't have all the answers yet, and we must do all we can to protect ourselves. So frequent hand washing and sanitizing has become a part of our everyday life. But despite washing our hands fervently, wearing a mask and practicing social distancing, there are certain things one can't avoid coming in contact with, such as grocery that you buy, currency notes that you exchange, or stationery items that children may need. And for office goers, personal items like phone, wallet, keys, and even shoes do come in contact with different surfaces, and this increases the risk of getting infected. So how can you minimize the danger? Numerous companies have launched disinfection systems. Today I'm going to review one from Godrej. It's called ViroShield 4.0. It looks like a mini refrigerator, but is it good enough? Let's find out. According to the company, the Godrej ViroShield 4.0 can disinfect over 99% COVID-19 viruses in 2 to 6 minutes through UVC rays. It accommodates 4 UVC tubes and 6 side reflective interiors to do the job. As the company says, the cubic design of ViroShield helps in uniform dissemination of the UVC rays. So what are the things it can disinfect? The company says it can sterilize a wide range of items. Your grocery, masks, hand gloves, parcels, toys, watches, headphones, keys, belt, shoes, books, currency notes, and even documents. The list is long. But don't use it to disinfect medicines, batteries, and power banks. It has a capacity of 30 liters, which means you can disinfect many items in one go. What I really miss in the device is a timer facility, which means you can't leave the things to disinfect for a certain time period. It cuts off automatically after the full 6-minute cycle. And here is another question that many people may have. Isn't the direct exposure to UVC rays harmful for humans? Note that this device has been designed with no see-through surfaces and a leak-proof cabinet. The auto cut-off facility turns it off as soon as the door is opened. Talking about design, it has a metal body and an easy-to-use pocket handle. It's neatly designed, but it will take a significant space in your kitchen or wherever you place it. The device could be a handy solution in these times, especially for those who have a tight schedule and can't spare time to sanitize each item manually. I think at 9,490 rupees, it's competitively priced. But before you decide to buy this, I suggest that you check out other disinfecting devices too. Compare them and make a smart buying decision.